Student friends, once again we are meeting to continue with topic number 2, that is satellite communication. Up to yesterday's period, we studied the meaning of satellite, meaning of artificial satellite, how satellites are going to be used to select the orbits, how satellite stays in that particular orbit to rotate around the earth, how centripetal force and gravitational force are going to be balanced with each other. We studied the satellite communication system that includes Earth station and also the satellite station linked with each other by means of an uplink and downlink frequency respectively. We also studied there are many Earth stations which are located on the Earth, out of which only few are going to be used as a control stations, rest of them are just going to be used as receiving stations. After that we have studied the satellite transponder, which is used on satellite to convert uplink frequency into the downlink frequency by reducing the noise. Student friends, today we are going to consider the applications of satellite. So when we are studying the applications of satellite, generally satellites are used for telecommunication as a satellite telephone. It is used for the television communication. It is used for the naval applications, that is for the Navy. It is used for the surveillance purpose. Surveillance, it is used for weather forecasting. Every day we are getting the news of weather, climatic conditions, rainfall on the television news channel, that is because of satellite only. Astrology, it is also used for the satellite phone. It is also used for the satellite television. Satellite is also used for the military application purpose. Satellite can be used for the satellite internet, and satellite can be used as a satellite radio. Nowadays we are going to observe the many apps on your mobile by selecting the map for India. You can select the location that particular radio station is going to be tuned, and that is because of the satellite only. So these are the applications, out of which few applications we are going to study in details, which are included in your syllabus. So the first application of the satellite is telephone communication. Dear students, telephone ground level services use 5 large earth stations, 13 medium earth stations and 10 small earth stations. What it means? It means that for telephone communication, 5 large stations, 13 medium stations and 10 small stations are used, which are located only on the earth's surface. A few road transferable and airliftable earth stations are used for short-term emergency communication requirement respectively. Means in emergency period, especially flood situation, then political control situation, natural calamities conditions, Prime Minister programs, President's programs, earthquakes, volcanoes. These emergency situation makes temporarily establishment of earth station, which can be transferred from one place to the another place, and one can lift from earth to even in the air for the emergency purpose to undergo urgent communication, to which we can call hotlines. can be constructed by using these stations to undergo emergency communication. Dear students, telephone communication is carried by using SDM, FM, FDMA operations, while link between large and small station is a syllabic commanded FM. Means telephone communication takes place by SDM, FM, FDMA. All these are the technologies which are used for the telephone communication. INSAT and Intelsat provides these services through 36 MHz band with C-band transponder with 6 GHz uplink and 4 GHz downlink and 32 decibel gain over coverage area. By using INSAT and Intelsat, international satellites are used to provide such a satellite telephone services by using 36 MHz C-band transponder with uplink frequency 6 GHz and downlink frequency 4 GHz with the gain of 32 dB. So this is how the satellite is used for the telephone communication. Second application of satellite whose details we are expected to be covered, and that is the television communication. Dear students, whatever the television we are watching in our house, that is going to act as a simply receiving station, and almost all such stations can capable to receive the television signal only because of the satellite. INSAT, that is International Satellite, provides television broadcasting through again 36 MHz bandwidth C-band transponder with 6 GHz uplink and 4 GHz downlink and 32 decibel gain over the coverage area. That means same transponder, same uplink and downlink frequencies with same bandwidth can be used even for television as well as for telephone communication. Direct television broadcast through 36 MHz bandwidth, high power transponder with 6 GHz uplink and 2.5 GHz downlink and 42 dB gain over primary coverage area. Means within a primary local coverage area, some changes have been done for the direct broadcasting situation. Bandwidth is kept same, that is 36 MHz. Power is increased. Uplink frequency is 6 GHz, but downlink frequency is only 2.5 GHz. And gain is increased to 42 dB. That covers the primary coverage area. For direct television broadcast, uplink are provided through some large and medium earth stations. Large number of television receiving communities sets in a rural area. For television communication also, high power, medium power television earth stations are going to be located on the earth's surface. High power transmission centers where the studios are located, the programs are prepared, they are sent to the satellite. From the satellite, it is retransmitted to cover almost all the coverage area on the earth's surface. The basic advantage of satellite in television communication is that the receiver is placed anywhere in the area of coverage of satellite can receive the signal being transmitted by the satellite is known as broadcasting satellite. A satellite retransmits the signal on the Earth's surface, it covers the entire Earth's surface. So that's why receiving station on the Earth's surface may be located anywhere on the Earth's surface. It may going to receive the signal from that particular satellite. Only the thing is that you have to tune your antenna towards the direction of that particular broadcasting satellite located in a space. The satellite has a number of transponders. Intelsat 6, Intelsat 4 has 12 channel, each of 36 MHz bandwidth, capable to relay one color television channel and 1200 voice channels. Uplink frequency and downlink frequency plays an important role in this particular type of communication. The uplink frequency is 6 GHz and downlink frequency depends upon. As it is clear that uplink and downlink frequencies are playing the very vital role. Uplink frequency is kept 6 GHz and downlink frequency is going to depend upon these three factors. What are the factors? Factors are, first one is usable frequency limited at lower end so that satellite transmission should be of very narrow beamwidth so that it covers only area of interest and achieve required directionality. The size of antenna should be bulky for it to keep it in orbit. Frequency should be free from ionospheric absorption. This is the first condition. This factor decides the downlink frequency. Second one is upper end frequency is determined by attenuation characteristics, which is heavy for above 10 GHz. This is avoided by number of repetition and gain of power transmission. This is the second factor which is going to decide the downlink frequency. Third one is the choice of frequency is affected due to frequency exploitation of other series. Other series means there are different series of frequencies which are used for the different applications. Those series may affect the selection of downlink frequency. So what are those series which may exploit the downlink frequency? The series is, by considering all these factors, suitable frequency bands for satellite broadcasting is, first one is 620 MHz to 790 MHz. This is the first band that is used for satellite communication. Second one is 25 Hz to 26 MHz. Second band. Next one is 11.7 to 12.2 GHz. Next one is 22.5 to 23 GHz. Next one is 41 to 43 GHz. And last one is 48 to 86 GHz. All these are the frequency bands which are used for the different applications which may exploit for the selection of the downlink frequency for satellite television communication. The A and B are used for FM television transmission. Look at here. 620 to 790 MHz and 2500 to 26 MHz are used for FM television transmitter. C and D are used for other services. So this is how satellite can be used for television communication. The third and important application is satellite in Navy. Satellite is also used in naval communication to perform the study of ocean, study of sea. The complete band of frequency spectra can be used to study the surface of ocean. As satellite is at a vantage point in a space, it is going to observe entire Earth. So that's why it can be used to study the surface of ocean by using entire frequency spectrum. The spacecraft can have sensors of multispectral camera or high resolution scanner. Satellite contains sensors, multispectral camera and high resolution scanner so that they can sense the radiations which are coming from the ocean. They can take the photographs of the ocean. They can scan the entire Earth's surface. Radiations from ocean are received by the sensor on the satellite and data is transmitted back to ground station. Data interpretation technique is used with sample to get see-truth data to generate variety of information required for scientists and planners, foresters, disaster management, and so on. The radiations which are received from the sea water or ocean water reflect the radiations. Reflected radiations are sensed by the sensors located on the satellite. By using that, sea data is prepared and that data is sent to the Earth's surface as a see-through data. It is interpreted and can be used to get the information for the scientists and planners. It is used in geology also, forestry and military. Means data whatever it is sent by the satellite, it can be used for the geologist in forestry and also for the military purpose. The satellite can conduct tracking of tropical cyclone, rainfall estimation, snowfall survey and estimation of the flood. Satellite is going to, because it is a geostationary one, so that's why it can track that tropical cyclone. It is going to give the information about the cyclone, rainfall, snowfall and also the estimation of the flood. All these information may going to cause the natural calamities is inferred on the Earth's surface by the satellite only. The new warning dissemination system INSAT disaster is used to alleviate suffering of people in the cyclone in coastal area. INSAT disaster satellite is used to get the information about the disaster and it is inferred to the people on the Earth's surface who are going to lie in the coastal area. Coastal area means near to ocean, so that they may be moved from that particular place safely to the another place. Then satellite is also used for ocean color radiometer, which is located on the satellite. It is used to measure the color of the ocean. Water has a different colors. In Hindi we can say, पानी तेरा रंग कैसा जिसमें मिलाए उसी जैसा. It may be blue, it may be green, it may be white, it may be transparent. So that color is going to be detected by using color radiometer located on the Earth's surface. This color of ocean changes because oleographic water is blue and autotrophic water is green. One can quantify chlorophyll content in the ocean. Chlorophyll content, if water looks green, one can say there is existence of chlorophyll. It is determined, it is measured, it is quantified by means of an ocean radiometer located on the satellite. Ocean color sensors are used to study algal biomass and productivity of the ocean. Color sensors which are located on the satellite are used to study algae as a biomass product of the ocean. Besides the sea surface, besides this, sea surface temperature, beach erosion, suspended sediment condition, influence of harbor structure on littoral transport. These are also studied by using the satellite. Means sea temperature, condition of the beach, especially erosion of the beach, sedimental condition of suspension harbor condition to undergo ship transport, whether it is proper or not. That information is provided by the satellite. Marine pollution, wave height, wave direction, sea level changes can be measured and studied by means of a satellite. Marine pollution means the pollution of sea, height of the tidal wave, direction of the tidal, sea level changes can also be measured and studied and going to be inferred on the Earth station. The microwave measurement can give geophysical parameter like temperature, salinity and thickness of oil pills. Micro measurement will be done by means of a satellite to measure the parameters like temperature, salinity and thickness of oil pills. Oil pill means content of oil which is located on the surface of the sea, because nowadays petroleum oil is obtained under the sea only. At that time, if any content of oil which is mixed with the sea, it is always located above the surface of the earth. This may increase the pollution of the sea. So that thickness of oil pill, temperature of the sea, salinity can also be measured by the satellite. The satellite Landsat can monitor water pollution and dynamics of the water. Dynamics means content of water. Ocean color is estimated by chlorophyll pigment, phytoplankton. It can determine primary productivity of ocean also. So that's why satellite plays the major role in study of ocean or surface of the sea. Next application of satellite is surveillance. Surveillance in Marathi we can call it as a टहळणी. Dear students, satellite is located at a vantage point in a space, so that satellite is used to observe the entire Earth's surface. Hence we can say major application of satellite is to observe from vantage point high in the sky, and that is true for satellite. Satellite can look at Earth and transmit the data variety of purpose. Military satellites are used to reconnaissance. Onboard film camera can take photographs and ejects these photos to the earth for recovery. TV camera can take the pictures and radar can profile earth feature. By using TV camera, one can get the photograph of earth and they are retransmitted on the earth's surface. The intelligent satellite collects the information about the enemy's potential. They monitors complaint worth nuclear feedback and missile treaties agreed upon the condition with other country. Satellite is used to get the potential of enemies. These are used to get the idea regarding the nuclear feedback and the missile treaties during the war period. The meteorological weather satellite takes photographs, cloud and sends the picture to the earth to predict the weather. Meteorological satellite take the photographs of the cloud and sends to the earth to give prediction of weather on the Earth's surface. Geodetic satellite gives the photographs to create a more accurate and more detailed map. So geodetic satellite gives the photographs of Earth to make the map of Earth more accurate and to include almost all detailed aspects of the Earth in that particular map. So that's why also satellite is used. It can monitor status of the Earth, resonance like land, ocean, crop, forest, river, etc. So monitoring on the property of the Earth like land, ocean, crop, forest, river can be monitored by the satellite. Only the reason is that it is at a vantage point. It can spot diseased crop area, mineral resources and sources of pollutions. It can spot means it will indicate disease spreaded crop area on the Earth's surface, mineral resources on the Earth's surface and sources of the pollutions will be indicated by the satellite. So that's why satellite can also be used for the surveillance purpose, is one of the important application. So these are the applications which are expected to study in details. Remaining applications just for your remembrance may be found in your notes also. Dear students, that's all about the almost all the satellite which are used for the different applications to communicate from space and up to the Earth station. That's all about today's lecture. Next time we'll go for next aspect of the satellite communication, that is satellite Earth station.